Hello there. Fancy seeing you here.
Well, you don't need to sound so surprised. I mean, I do work here. Any news from your other half?
I didn't come here to talk about Jimmy. As you know, we're not exactly in a good place at the moment.
Huh. Well, I sincerely hope that I'm not in any way responsible for that.
Oh, yeah. You most definitely are. The question is, are you going to do anything about it?
Well, I have to say, you have taken me by surprise.
But when there's a connection...
Oh, absolutely. I mean, you're a very attractive woman, and I'm not going to lie, the whole school ma'am disciplinarian thing really does it for me.
Oh, well. I can be a lot stricter than this.
Yeah? Because I can be really naughty.
Get in the van.
What?
I said get in the van. And don't give me any back chat.
Whatever you say, miss.
You need to learn some respect.
And I am more than happy for you to teach me.
Don't worry, I will. Call payback.
Wait, is this all part of the role play?
In your dreams. You really think I'd cheat on my husband with a snivelling little chancer like you?
Nicola, don't do this.
Why not? You did it to me. It turns out locking someone in a van is quite funny after all. You know, Jimmy is 10 times the man you'll ever be. I only wish it was you standing in that dock instead of him.